drink that Captain Crunch in the morning.
Captain Morgan. Oh, don't forget, you gotta put your foot on something.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, that's something.
You got a Captain Morgan in. Alright, come on. Like a captain. Like a captain. Like a captain. Come on. Wait. Dude, like a captain. Yeah. There you go. Like a captain.
Here you go.
Like a captain.
Your turn.
Yo, turn to hit that blunt.
Oh, the feeling of disgust in my face.
Dude,
Come on, Captain.
record my delicious tuna helper.
No chaser, huh? Like a champ. Your turn.
Oh, my turn?
Yeah, you gotta put your foot up on the...
Come on, champ.
Could you pour me? I'll tell you when. Alright, when.
Ooh, it's a fatty. Ooh.
Like a champ. How do you do that? You Mexican, you. Alright, well, that's our drinks for tonight, baby. Yeah.